Hey everybody, this is Mike. Welcome back to another video. Today is, what is today? Today is May the 29th. It's about 12:50 a.m. I've been pretty busy all day, so I got these two packages here out of the mailbox today. As you can see, that's the tracking. You can see that there. And another one that was postmarked on the 24th. So right there. Anyways, alright. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button and ring that bell notification so you don't miss out on any more videos. So, before we get started opening this package up today, we're going to give you a quick update on the contest. We are still giving away the smartwatches. And right now we've got 928 subscribers, so please subscribe if this is your first time. Again, I invite you to, highly encourage you to click that subscribe button and ring that bell notification so you do not miss another video. So, alright, as you all know right now, I dedicate my time and energy when I make these videos to show you that what is possible for working online. And you do know that I'm a part of 3 income opportunities, high ticket, very low ticket, and a medium ticket with the postcard system. So with that being said, if you're new to the channel and you want more information on what we do, simply look below this video. You'll see an email address. Send me an email address with your intent. If you want to know more about all 3 business opportunities, I can send you a package in mail. And all you have to do is leave your first name, last name, mailing address, city and state, and best contact phone number. And I will text you as soon as we mail that out. And I'll send you a picture of it going out to you. So, with that being said, let's start. Now, these packages, I have no clue what business they're in, okay? I'm telling you, this company that we're part of now, you know, this high-ticket program, the Integrity Wealth System program, the unlimited $100, $50, I'm telling you, Kristen and the girls, they get those. I give that money to them, okay? That's, you know, hell, that pays the light bill, pays the water bill, pays car insurance, grocery money, eat out money, gas money, whatever they want to do with it. I give it to them. So, let's start opening these packages. Wouldn't you like that to be your most favorite sound in the world? All right, again, I have no idea what to expect here. So these packages, when people they're starting to join without acknowledging, hey, I'm signing up. Okay, this is, all right, this person is signing up under IWS 100. They didn't circle what level they're joining, so the payment is in the pudding here. Okay, $297. We have a $297 payment. $297. All right, and thank you from Elk Grove, California. You know who you are. If you're watching this video, we'll get your package mailed out tomorrow for you. All right. So that's $297, and here's the second last package. I have no clue what program this is with, so let's open it up. Here's that favorite sound again. Just making sure. Hey, this is pretty cool. Okay, this is the unlimited $150 system before we made it into a stamp program. So this went out over a month ago, and it works. It works. Well, Kristen's not home today, that's why I got this one in the mail, apparently. Man. Wow, this is crazy. So, okay. So that's $397 today. Okay, $397 today. Hey, what can I say? If you want more information, if you want to know how to make $100 and $50 unlimited with this program here, if you want to know the first package with the integrity wealth system, if you want more information on how you can make money, and if you watch my other videos on how you can make up to $25,000 per sale, I can send that to you. Okay, simply just look at the description link, description box below this video if you're watching on YouTube itself, or if you're watching on your mobile device, just scroll all the way down to you may have to just keep scrolling, probably a bunch of videos between that to comment section. Leave a comment, or simply just hit the down arrow if you're on your mobile device, and in the description box you'll see the email address. It's going to be workwithcoachmike@gmail.com. Again, send me your first name, last name, mailing address, and I will get this kit sent out to you as soon as possible. Again, if this is your first time watching our videos, I invite you to subscribe to our channel, click that bell notification so you don't miss out on another video. And also, we're still running the contest, 1,000 subscribers. I don't know if we'll hit it this month. I highly doubt it, but let's stay positive, and let's go from there, okay? Once we hit that 1,000 subscriber, we're gonna be doing a drawing, a giveaway for the smartwatch. Okay. Well, if you have any questions, again, please comment or please email me. I'd like to hear from you. Telephone number is 803-537-1571. If you're already on the edge, you want to take action on one of the programs, you're ready to get started, just give me a call. If you have any questions to help you get over the curve, I can help you out with that. Quick update. I've got a new method of generating high-ticket sales leads. Okay, high-ticket sales leads. This is without anybody begging. You don't have to beg people. People are going to come into you. Hey, send me more information. And I'm going to make another video on this completely here in the next couple of days. So I got to get everything set up for you. And I'm going to be working with just a handful of people. So it's kind of going to be like a contest, not contest, more of an interview. Okay, I'm looking for people that are highly motivated, doers. You would have to commit to doing something, to a little bit of paid advertising, but it's nothing publications or anything like that. It's a little bit different. Okay, it's not mailing out postcards or flyers or nothing like that. That stuff works, but hey, we're doing something totally different here, and it works. It's working with another activity, so we're modifying it for it to work for a high-ticket program. Okay, it's nothing licensed or anything like that. It's just a method of how to get high-ticket sales leads. Okay, and I will do, if you're part of the chosen few, you would be contacted, or I will contact you, and I will let you know how the rules will go and how the contest will go for me to select the people that I'll be working with. Okay, but here's the catch. The catch works in your benefit. We're going to enroll you if you're chosen. Okay, please hear me carefully. If you're chosen for this experiment project, which it works because I'm already sending out leads. Okay, I just want to give people that follow me. Okay, that follow me on YouTube. I want to give them the opportunity to make big amounts of money. Okay, I'm talking life-changing financial amounts, like $15,000, $25,000. It's not going to cost you a dime to join this business opportunity. Okay, I'm only looking for a select few. I'm not looking for freebie seekers. I'm looking for someone, when I show them, tell them how this is going to work, I'm going to show them how it works, and all you got to do is drive traffic to it. And I'll show you how to drive laser targeted traffic. Okay, there's no guarantee in conversions. but there's going to be a guarantee of responses, okay? We just got to get those responses, this information in front of those people, and then thus when the conversion starts to happen, okay? So I'll go in more details in a later video. It's just got to do the final touches, so it'll be something that the masses can use, meaning you, okay? So not bad for a Wednesday, or now it's Thursday morning, but not bad for a Wednesday. $400 pretty much. Not bad at all. So I'll take that any day, my friend, any day of the week. So with that being said, good night, and if you have any questions, please reach out to us, and we will be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. And with that being said, good evening, bye, whatever time zone it is. Click that like button, ring that bell notification, and oh yeah, just so you guys know, someone emailed me the other day and asked me, hey, did the cost of postcard stamps go up? No, they didn't. See, here's more postcards stamps right here. So we do mail out postcards. We practice what we preach. And so if you have any questions, again, feel free to reach out. And make it a good day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.